Imagine saving over $10,000 a year while also making a positive impact on the environment. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of sustainable living, a lifestyle choice that's not just beneficial for the planet, but also for your wallet. The modern way of life can be tough on both our finances and the world around us, but it doesn't have to be. By adopting sustainable living practices, we can reduce our environmental footprint and save a significant amount of money each year. Here are 10 practical tips to get you started. Firstly, consider meal planning and cooking at home. By reducing food waste and cutting back on dining out, you could potentially save over $1,200 a year. Next, why not try making your own cleaning products? With a few simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda, you can save around $300 annually. Switching to LED lighting is another great tip. LEDs use at least 75% less energy and last 25 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. This can save you around $200 a year. Sealing and insulating your home can save up to 10% on your heating and cooling bill, translating to about $200 in savings per year. Installing a programmable thermostat can also help adjust temperatures during the day and night, saving about $180 annually on heating and cooling costs. Reducing water usage by installing low-flow shower heads and fixing leaks can save up to $170 per year. Eating more plant-based meals can dramatically reduce your grocery bills. If a family of 4 spends about $200 weekly on groceries, reducing meat consumption by half can save up to $2,600 annually. Growing your own vegetables and herbs can save you a lot of money on groceries, especially if you use organic methods. The potential savings can be around $500 per year. When it's time to replace appliances, choosing energy-efficient models can save you up to $400 per year in energy bills. Lastly, remember to unplug electronics when not in use. Devices left plugged in can use phantom energy. By using power strips and turning them off when not in use, you can save around $100 a year. In total, these 10 sustainable living tips can help save over $10,000 a year, while also helping to preserve our environment. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any sustainable living tips to share? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving and eco-friendly content. Together, we can make a difference.